Get out of the truck. Missed a great love. Wasted time. Ignore your mind. Grab the door handle. Get out of the truck. You love that man. Go to him. You cooked for him. You bathed him. Get out of the truck. You yearn for him. You miss him. You sought him. You need him. Get out of the truck. Your fear stopped you. Your responsibilities stumped you. Your idiosyncrasies, your inadequacies, get out of the truck. When your memories of him flood your heart, when your memory of your time with him completely overtake your mind, when your heart aches for him, when you anticipate his arrival, get out of the truck. Real love, true love, hard to find, hard to keep. Get out of the truck. Realize real love. Recognize true love. Participate in awesome love. Contribute to authentic love. Get out of the truck. Go to him in spite of sacrifice. Love him completely in spite of the distance. Give yourself to him decisively because of your heart. Receive him deeply because of his. Get out of the truck. You could have spent wonderful years of love with him. You spent days dreaming about. You spent hours wondering where he was. You spent precious moments you cannot recover wanting him. But you didn't get out of the truck. Safe versus sensitive. Known versus unknown. Stable versus sacrificial. Profound versus perfunctory. Get out of the truck.